Alright, so this is me vlogging my data science journey, I guess. So everyone who knows me by now already knows I'm a Python developer. But I'll be telling myself if I say I know every single thing there is to know in Python, because I don't. What I don't know though is I understand the concept of Python, and Python is pretty much a straightforward whatever. So ending of last year, like last week of December or so, I actually officially started learning my database journey. Started learning some of the um um what do we call them again? Shit. Libraries. So first one NumPy, piece of cake. Then Matplots was a bit confusing but was not that hard, and SciPy. Then there's still some other ones I'm supposed to learn. But I was like, okay, calm. I'm learning all this thing, but like, what is the data science in it? Because it just seems like basic programming, and I don't know how I'm supposed to implement it into data science. Because I was like reading what a data or who a data scientist is, and I was like, how the fuck am I supposed to um, implement this in this to my whole data science stuff? So I was like, okay, let's do it. So I downloaded Harvard's resource, got some other resources, and I was like, let me start my journey. Why the fuck is nobody saying that data science is never programming? Programming is just the new part of data science. Data science is not a computer science course. It's not a computer science course, it's maths. Data science is maths. They lied to me. Like, first I was supposed to be learning Alchemist linear regression, and I don't remember shit about linear regression. I love maths, but I've not done maths in a year, like in over a year. It's like I don't remember most of all this complex in math. Like even when I say initially, I was like, oh, I just need to brush up my memory on matrix, probability, and like those are the easiest parts of math. Right now, I'm like, do I want to do this? Because apparently after I finish learning the math of it all, I don't know if it's compulsory, but the roadmap I'm using, I might have to learn how to implement this. Because people are out here doing this thing in Excel. Why the computer science sets now come and hug data science as if it's their course? You guys are like borrowing it. Oh god. But we'll keep fighting. So linear regression.